Hello and welcome. We got this Audi A3 here. Today we're going to be swapping out the headlights, so we're going to go from these old headlights, which don't look too good in my opinion, to these bad boys. Woof! Alright, I am using a lift today, so first thing we're going to do is remove the front wheels. Now to start off, I'm going to be removing the inner wheel house. So to do that, you got one screw there, and then in there. And they're all T25s. And then you have two down here, one there, and those are T20s. Alright, so when you go to take it off, you have to lift this up, and then beneath there you can see, oh, let me try to film. You have to move this up. Drop my phone here. Well, anyways, you have to move this up over that, and then it comes out. Just like that. Alright, next up, if we go underneath the car, I'm gonna try to remove it with this black plastic. So there's one screw there, supposed to be one there, and then one there as well to get it off. Alright, so now I got all of them out and it's looking loose. Alright, so next step to get the bumper off is, you see up here, there are two T25s from down here. This one is pretty hard to see. You see one, there's two back there. And then there is a 10mm right in there, which you have to remove. And once you do that, you get this piece off with it. So that is the piece that sits in here. So with those removed, you simply go ahead and give it a yank. There you can see this fall out. And so now this is off. Just for everybody wondering, the black part is supposed to go like this on the bottom. Next, bring the car down, and we are gonna be going at the bolts on the top. So on the top here, there are 3 bolts, right there, there, and there. And they are T30s, it looks like, so just go ahead and remove those. With that, the whole bumper should be ready to yank off. Alright, so I've put the front on the ground on this rubber thing. So now we have to disconnect the fog lights, this, whatever that goes to. And then some stuff on this side like the washer fluid, and yeah. Alright, so apparently this is a cable for a heater thing, because you need it since we live in Sweden. So I'm just gonna go ahead and leave the front here and then remove the headlight. So it should be T30 there, T30 there, and then right there as well. Should be. Alright, so you need to remove these 2 screws there and there as well, because those are for the bracket underneath the headlight. And back behind here where you can't really reach it is another bolt. Alright, so let's see now. No? Alright, so here we are. Now it's coming out, and back in there you can see the bolt. So I'm gonna just make that a bit looser because this doesn't need to be screwed out all the way. Same with that one, and now you could, it's just hard to do one-handed. Alright, so the headlight has to go over that lip there. And then out in the back there. And there we are, it's loose, it's connected by that though. So I need to put the camera down, disconnect that, and then we're done. And then here you have the new ones. So, in the back here, you need to put this on before you install it. Just make sure you check so that you have all the lights and everything. Now there's another hole here, and I'm not sure if it's supposed to be open or closed, but I can't find any plastic cover for it. So I guess it's supposed to be open, but it's really weird. Alright, so to cover up these holes is this little rubber thing. Now the reason I didn't find it was because it was in there, so I didn't even look at it. But now I got that, so let me install both of them real quick. So there we go, that's how it's supposed to look. Alright, so these 2 bolts are what you use to control the fitment of the light. So I got it set all the way in the far right corner, so this way and that way. Same with that one, and we'll try that at first, see how it fits. Alright, so I've played around a bit with it. I think I got pretty good fitment, and I got the same on both sides, I think. Now the only question is how the fitment will be with the front bumper, but before I check that, I'm just gonna turn it on, see how they light up, see so that all the lights are there and so on and so forth. Let's do it. Alright, you guys ready? That looks good. So these are the daytime running lights. Then you get that one also with your low beams. And then this is your high beam. But I mean, look at this. Alright, so now let me get everything. Fucking noise. Yeah. Alright, now let me get everything mounted and then I'll show you it. Alright, so now the front is on there and the lights are on. It's really hard to get a good angle of this. Right there. That looks awesome. Alrighty guys, so as I'm sitting here editing, I realized that I did not do an outro or show you the final result in any way. Now unfortunately the car is not mine, so I can't just go out and show you. I can show you these though. Oh yeah, BMW, I can't see shit. So anyways, I think it turned out really great. If I had one of these cars, I would definitely buy these lights. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Would you buy them? And yeah, basically stay tuned for more. There's a lot more coming. I'm actually gonna go out now and shoot a video on the E91, and I'm gonna do a steering wheel wrap. So look forward to seeing that on the channel in the near future. Until then, take care.